Well, schools around the state are starting to release their reopening plans for the fall semester. Indiana's biggest school district is next. Today, IPS will break down how the return to school will work during this pandemic. Now, we already know e-learning will be offered to families who would like that, but we also should get more specifics later today. And students at Perry Township schools will also be headed back to school at the end of the month. Last night, that district announced its plans for keeping students safe in the age of COVID-19. Masks will be required for students in grades 6 through 12. Students in K through 5 are also being asked to wear one, but it's not mandatory. And beyond masks, the district will have increased cleaning in its buildings with frequently touched areas sanitized daily. Students will also be socially distanced as much as possible. Hand sanitizer will be on hand in every classroom and common area, as well as disinfectant. The district is asking parents, if possible, to drop their kids off at school rather than using buses. And if they do ride a bus, drivers and students will have to wear a mask and be assigned a seat. Buses will also be disinfected after each route.
Taking all the same steps that every other school corporation across the state is taking right now.
Next week, school buildings in the district will also announce individualized plans for each building. Classes start July 29th.
And we're now on day 2 of the mask mandate here in Marion County, and the governors of all of Indiana's border states have mandated masks in some ways. You can see Kentucky's governor announced that statewide order that starts today. Ohio's governor started ordering masks in certain counties earlier this week, and Michigan and Illinois have statewide rules as well. So what does that mean for Indiana? Well, when we asked the governor, he said he supports local governments that chose to enact one, like Marion County. So how did day 1 of masks go for Indy?
Wearing a mask while out in public is now mandatory in Marion County. That's when inside stores, entering a bar or restaurant, and outside when social distancing isn't possible, even for kids at summer camp. A spot check of businesses found some making it clear no one gets in without a mask. Others, like Target, were still strongly recommending but not requiring masks. In this hardware store, we were told they have no plans to make anyone mask up. The county health director says businesses who don't comply could be cited and fined. But Dr. Kane says before that happens, they'll work to educate those business owners that wearing a mask is one of the best ways to stop the spread of COVID-19.